Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to deposit in Bitget. Now let us begin. Initially, do note that I have already logged into my account. If you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to deposit. At the top right, you can see the profile picture right here. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, the very first thing that you can see is the deposit button. Click on it right now. And from here, all you guys need to do is select a coin. Along with that, choose the network. And guys, this right here is the deposit address. Simply copy it to the wallet from which you want to deposit to Bitget. And that is it guys. That's how you deposit in Bitget. All you have to do is follow along these steps right here. Simply copy the deposit address and add it to the wallet from which you want to deposit. That is it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.